Hello and welcome to Adventures. Currently join me in Thailand. It seemed fitting to support Yokkao, my kickboxing top that I've loved and I've had for many years. I'm currently waiting and have been waiting for a motorbike part to continue on my journey through Thailand to Cambodia and then on to Laos and then back into Thailand. This video is the start of a series of motorbike tours that I've either done or I'm going to be doing. So I'm starting, this is the first one I ever did in Hokkaido in Japan. I did this back in July. The time I spent in Hokkaido was absolutely brilliant. I really enjoyed the fact that so many people came and talked to me. Yeah, quite a few people came to talk to me. I had a lot of interactions with locals and I had one very big interaction with a whole school trip of Japanese school kids that came upon me in a lake going for a swim. Anyway, without further ado, here is the video and I'll do this again because it's really cringy. Man, that's fun. That's so loud for the size of the engine, but brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So there we have it, that's my Honda CB500. I've got this baby for 5 days. It's around 70,000, around 70,000 for 5 days to have this bike. It's 400cc and it revs to 14,000. So it absolutely screams. Which does make it feel quicker than it really is. But yeah, nice little bike. I do feel very big on it, but I'll be fine. I've got to have my large 69 litre bag on my back, unfortunately, and there's no phone holder, so it's amusing to drive around. But I'm now going to go to Nakiano lavender fields. There's some beautiful lavender fields in Hokkaido. I'm going to go there, and there's some other little spots I want to have a look at. And yeah, see you guys later.
Your body actually feels quite exhausted after you've been dancing for 5 hours the night, and then you've come home and been awake for another 6 hours sitting and chatting. So you do actually feel quite exhausted. You just feel just calm and peaceful and quite content and happy with what's going on. You're not back to your normal state of mind.
Seems the best scene that's been around. There's lads are dancing now, happy. Girls are dancing, everyone's happy with you.
I gotta let you go. I gotta let you go.
So here we have the memorial for my first drone I ever bought. I was flying it too quick over a lake with a load of trees, and yeah, that's what happens. Guess I learned from my mistakes, but it didn't stop me trying to find it and get it out many times. But hey, you live and learn, and at least people came and asked me.
How was it?
Lovely. But yeah, it crashed in a beautiful place with some beautiful water, so it could be worse. This part is quite interesting. I was going for a swim in a lake, as one hot person does that's been on a motorbike most of the day in the baking sun. So I just stripped down to my boxers and jump in, and there's already some people, other tourists, mostly Japanese tourists around the place, and they came up to me laughing and asking how the lake was. But then all of a sudden, this large group of Japanese school kids, and just fascinated at the fact that I was going for a swim in the lake. Oh, 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 thank you, boo.
Thank you.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Konnichiwa.
Where are you from?
England.
England. Welcome to Japan.
Hey bro, what's your name? What's your name? Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Good. You on school trip? Yes. Oh.
Yes. No.
What the Insta つなぎたい? No?
Insta ID.
Have you Instagram?
Yeah.
Oh. ID please. ID.
ID please. ID please. Okay. I don't know how I keep finding myself swimming in all these beautiful lakes out here. I'm the only one in the whole lake swimming, at least. But that being said, fuck is this. Do I want anything else I want to say? I've got so much editing to do now. I've done this backwards.